Hey there, welcome to Glow Up. Here are 6 beauty hacks and homemade remedies that saves you time, money, and has been proven to work and show results. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to learn something new every week. Beauty tip number 1. Tomato face mask for clear, glowing skin. Tomatoes work as an excellent skin lightening agent. It contains vitamin C and salicylic acid, which controls oil and can brighten the skin. The vitamin C, A, and K in tomatoes help reduce acne on your face. Fuller's earth is a clay-like substance that's mostly composed of aluminum magnesium silicate. It contains a lot of magnesium chloride. For this reason, Fuller's earth is known for its ability to draw oil and impurities out within pores, making it a popular and ideal cleanser for people who have oily or clogged pores. Directions: mix the pulp of 1 tomato, 2 tablespoons of Fuller's earth, and 1 teaspoon of fresh mint paste for best results. Apply the mixture on your face and leave it until it dries. Wash your face with cold water and dry off. Apply this remedy 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Beauty tip number 2. Face Glow Remedy. Rose water acts as a natural toner and has been used as a beauty product for thousands of years. Why? Simple. Rose water is known to improve your complexion, reduce temporary skin redness, balance your skin's natural oils, prevents fine lines and wrinkles, reduces skin puffiness, diminishes the look of existing ones, helps naturally hydrate your skin, and has antioxidant properties that nourish and protect the skin. Tulsi juice, also known as Ocimum sanctum, is a plant that is a native to India and commonly used in the traditional Indian medicine. It has vitamin K and antioxidants. Tulsi is known as the holy basil, holy because of its spiritual and religious significance, and basil because it comes from the same shrub as the cooking basil. However, this is not to be confused with the cooking basil you buy at the grocery stores. Tulsi is part of the family of aromatic herbs, which include sage, rosemary, oregano, lavender, and mint. Tulsi may offer several benefits for skin health, such as it soothes skin conditions like eczema, fights acne, reduces pigmentation, and supports healthy skin aging. It also has healing, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Tulsi is known to help improve the skin by preventing acne, blackheads, and relieve skin infections. Directions: mix 1 teaspoon of rose water with some tulsi juice. Mix it thoroughly and apply the remedy to your face. Do this after taking a bath and keep your routine consistent. If you want to apply a thick face mask instead, mix 1 tablespoon of powdered tulsi with some yogurt until a thick paste is formed. Apply the paste to your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash your face with lukewarm water and pat dry. Beauty tip number 3. Natural remedy for dry, flaky skin. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that can moisturize the skin, speeds up the healing of wounds, fights aging skin, reduces skin infections and acne, lightens blemishes on the face, and soothes sunburns as it has cooling properties and it's anti-inflammatory. The moisturizing effects of aloe vera can help reduce and alleviate itchy, dry skin linked to or caused by eczema. Lastly, it can help increase collagen, thereby reducing any possible scar tissue. Directions: mix 4 teaspoons of milk with 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel thoroughly. Apply it on your face and massage gently for 1 minute. Then wash it off the next morning for best results. This remedy will reduce dry, flaky skin. Beauty tip number 4. Aloe vera gel for clear skin. Aloe vera is a plant known for its incredible healing properties. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer and non-irritating. This means it can be used on any type of skin. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce the appearances of wrinkles, blemishes, and can soothe your skin. So yes, aloe vera is not just beneficial for sunburned skin, but has many other benefits. Directions: soak a towel in warm water and place it on your face for 10 minutes. You can also use a steam towel, but make sure it's not hot. Wash your hands thoroughly, then gently massage aloe vera gel for 5 minutes on your face, then wash it off. This will give you clear, glass-like skin, especially if applied regularly. For best results, use fresh aloe vera from the plant itself. This way, it's guaranteed that you are not applying synthetic-based aloe vera on your face, since some imitation products claiming to be natural can be harmful for your skin. Beauty tip number 5. Korean glass skin. The lactic acid in milk is identified as an alpha hydroxy acid. This type of acid destroys and eats away dead skin cells. Honey is known to moisturize and hydrate the skin and is an excellent pore cleanser and exfoliator. It can clear away dirt, lighten scars, hyperpigmentation, acne, and relieve sunburns. Both milk and honey contain antimicrobial properties. Together, they form a strong combination and an effective cleanser for the skin. Directions: mix a cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Pour the liquid in an ice tray and place it in the freezer until it is frozen. Once frozen, rub the ice cubes gently on your face and leave it on for approximately 30 minutes before washing your face. This procedure will help remove blackheads, clean your skin, leaves your skin glowing, and give you that infamous Korean glass skin. Oh, and of course, you can totally drop a few cubes in your tea or coffee. It's totally edible. So there you have it. Which one of these remedies is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section down below which ones you want to try. Like, share, comment, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next informative video.